Welcome back to another video and review into Huck's World. And yes, we got some more free watch faces for you. We're just simply trying to get them out the way, people, so you can add them to your lineup, because right after this, we're coming with some paid watch faces by some awesome developers. Cool? All right, remember that free can become paid very quickly, so make sure you go download right after the video. Now, the name of the watch face is called Tech Executive Satin. It's a very nice looking watch face. I like the analog look. Even in the AOD mode, you're gonna get a nice look. It's gonna be a unique look for the Gear 3 and the Gear 2, and they're gonna differ from one another, but they'll still give you your analog time at a glance with no problem. Now, I do like the design of the watch face when it's on. It has a classic / modern look to it. So up at the top, you're going to get your date information. To the right, get your battery percentage. Down at the bottom, you're going to get the day of the week. And then, of course, over here to your left, you're going to get your step information. So it's more so not really a dress-up watch face than it is a casual watch face. But it looks good, especially considering that it is free. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. Let's check out watch face number two. Now, number 2 is nice. It's an analog digital watch face. I thought the developer did a great job on this one. I'm giving them 3 thumbs up in the door for a simple, clean design. Now, the name of the watch face is called Wheel of Time. Even in the always on mode, you're going to get a nice look for the Gear 3 and the Gear 2. But when the watch face is on, it has a unique look to it. It stands out. Don't let this watch face fool you. It has a lot to offer. Now, first of all, it's an analog watch face / digital. These are your arms right here at the top and over here at the bottom. And here you're going to get your digital time along with the day of the week. You get your date, you get the month. You also get miles walked around and your battery percentage, and everything is grouped into one circle. But what's great about this is that the watch face information is legible. Not a bad deal at all. And you got a second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch as well. That really brings this watch face together. So I thought the developer did an awesome job blending everything together. Now, it is inactive, so if I tap on the date, I can pull up my calendar, check my event. If I tap on miles walked around, it'll pull up my step status. For those of you all who like keeping up with your steps, there you go. So to me, I thought the developer did great. The question is, at the end of the day, what did you think? I would like to hear your thoughts on this one. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if this one is a download or leave it right where it's number 3. Now, number 3, we had to give you something simple. We got so many analog watch faces coming your way. We had to give you a digital, and we had to give you a fun watch face. Now, again, the weekend is coming. You're going to have an opportunity to flex through as many watch faces as you want and or need to. All right, so the name of this one is called Twisted Straw. It's a very simple digital watch face. In the AOD mode, you're going to get a simple digital time. But when the watch face is on, here's what's nice about it. For those of you all who are going to be working out this weekend, whether it be Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, this watch face is definitely going to fit the part. It's a simple watch face, give you a big, bold digital time, and you get your step status info, right? So you're going to get calories burned, your steps, miles walked around, and your heart rate. Everything is right up front. Down at the bottom, you get your date and your battery percentage. Now, the watch face is inactive, so if I simply tap here, I can pull up my calorie information. Same thing with my step status info. My watch is lagging. And here, of course, your miles walked around. Of course, here, you're going to get your heart rate information as well. Now, down at the bottom, okay, you will be able to get your battery info. So I thought this was definitely a nice look, but check this out. Get your alarm here, and I'm going to double tap down at the bottom, and I could change the colors. I thought this was beautiful. For a digital watch face, for a free watch face, people, you got to download this one. Let's go through and see how many colors we get out of this one. Nice, not bad at all. Made for both men and women. All right, you all, let's go on and let's check out watch face number 4. It's called Amoled Air Red. It's a very nice looking, simple, basic analog watch face with a little flair to it. In AOD mode, it's going to be dimmed down. You're going to get the same design. It's just going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode. But once the watch face is on, you will get a nice analog look. I like the swirl that's going on within the background of the watch face. Has a little flair to it. No, it is not inactive. Again, this one here is also free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Now, they got other colors like brown, blue, I believe green. So check out those other colors. Those are free for the taking as well. All right, you all, let's check out, last but not least, watch face number 5. Watch face number 5 is nice. It's called KLM Triton engine. It's a very nice looking analog watch face. It's going to be a dressed down watch face at that. Not a bad look. In the AOD mode, it's going to be dimmed down. It's going to have this greenish look effect to it, like it glows in the dark. It's going to look nice. Now, once the watch face is on, I do like the look of this. It's going to give you a traditional analog time. You get a second hand with it. The hands look very stylish as well. Not bad. I thought the developer did a great job with this one. And your index is going to be, for the most part, green. You got orange right there at the top. A nice blending of the colors right here. And on top of it, people, you can customize the color. So you got quite a few colors in all to change to. This one right here is nice. That's going to be your night mode watch face. But let's cycle through all of them, give you an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download this watch face. I thought it was pretty nice. Not bad for a simple analog watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the top 5 free watch faces that you can find in the Gear Manager store. Make sure you go download right after the video. And if you enjoyed it, please hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.